Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, your PIN is no longer available due to a change to the security settings on this device fixed. First method is click key options, type user password to enter Windows. Second method is hold shift key, click restart. Click troubleshoot, click advanced options. Click startup settings. Click restart. Press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Login with user password. Open File Explorer, click three dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show Hidden Files folders and drives. This PC, C drive, Windows folder. Open Service Profiles folder, Local Service, App Data folder. Open Local folder, open Microsoft folder. Open NGC folder. Click Security tab, click Advanced, click Change. Type your username, click Check Names. Check Replace Owner on sub-containers and objects, click Apply, click OK. Open NGC folder, delete all folders and files. Restart system. Third method is hold shift key, click restart. Click troubleshoot, click advanced options, click uninstall updates, uninstall latest quality updates. If same error still exists, click uninstall latest feature updates. Fourth method is click reset this PC. Click keep my files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.